Good morning from Hamburg, Germany. It's raining again. It's Hamburg. It's always grey. Well, that's why I wear my grey jeans. No, not really. But the breakfast was perfect. Not so many people because it's Monday in Germany. And yeah, but noisy kids. But I won't stay in Hamburg. I'm on my way a little bit more south, in the middle of Germany. It's called Bad Driburg. It's near Paderborn, Bielefeld, right in the middle. I don't know what to expect, but the hotel should be really nice. Let's see. Just checked in and I would love to show you my beautiful suite. This is the bedroom. It looks beautiful, and these nice trees. Thank you. Well, let me also show you my walk-in closet, and it's on the way to the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. It's so modern and clean, so beautiful, and they have red shower gel. And maybe you like to see the view. Looks really beautiful. So, and this is the living area, and yeah, you have a table to work on and a nice sofa to watch TV and drink something or relax. And a different view. Just take a look. So beautiful. So I guess I will have a nice time here. Just the snow should melt. So it's meeting time and maybe something to eat or drink. And after the meeting I went to the spa area and I had a signature treatment at their private spa suite, which looked beautiful. And after that I also enjoyed the outdoor pool. I will also show you one of my favorite fashion looks with leather leggings and a cozy pullover, and this time leather boots, my Tommy Hilfiger boots from the Gigi collection. And the location was so beautiful, I had to do a photo shooting there. But maybe you already know this look from one of my last videos in front of the Brandenburger Gate. If not, watch my videos. And in the evening I just ordered in-room dining and it was so delicious. It looks so good and it tastes even better. The cakes, perfect. And I just worked while eating and watched a little bit TV and yeah, produced some videos for you. So make sure you follow my English YouTube channel and to watch the next videos, because there's more to see from this space. There's some medical wellness or medical spa treatments, and I will wear another fashion look for you with a vinyl skirt or patent skirt. What do you say? What do you prefer? So let me know. And yeah, see you again soon. Bye bye.